Hello and welcome to this video of the Majestic Support plugin. In this video, we'll explore email piping and explain how to set it up so that you may improve client interactions in your support system. With email piping, Majestic Support automatically converts incoming emails into support tickets, ensuring prompt responses. When email piping is enabled, it allows the support system to interact with the email server, capturing emails and converting them into support tickets. This integration streamlines communication, centralizes queries, and improves response times. So without further delay, let's dive in and learn how to set up and use email piping. Before we get started, first make sure that the email piping add-on is activated. To do so, navigate to the WordPress menu and select the Plugins option. Here, in the list of plugins, look for the email piping add-on, and the add-on is activated. If the add-on is not activated, then first install and activate it, as it is essential to enable email piping. Once the add-on has been activated, let's proceed with the steps involved in setting up email piping, as we will be using Gmail as our email service provider. So to enable email piping, we'll need to configure a few important settings in Gmail. First, we need to enable IMAP. IMAP allows the Majestic Support plugin to sync with your Gmail account, ensuring seamless communication between your email and support system. To enable IMAP, follow these steps. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. Then under the IMAP Access section, select Enable IMAP, and click on the Save Changes button to apply the settings. Enabling IMAP establishes the foundation for email piping. But we're not done yet. To enhance the security of your Gmail account, we strongly recommend setting up two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a verification code in addition to your password when signing in. Here's how to set it up. First, go to your Google account. When you click there, an option to manage your Google account will appear. Hit the option, and this will take you to this window. Go to the security option in the menu and click on it. Here, find the two-step verification section and click on the two-step verification option. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to enable two-step verification. Hit the Get Started button and you will be prompted to re-enter your account password for security purposes. Enter your password in the provided field and click on the Next button. Enter your phone number in the appropriate field to receive a verification code and click Next. Wait for the verification code to be sent to your phone. Once received, enter the code in the verification window and click Next. After successfully verifying, you will see a confirmation screen. Finally, click on the Turn On button to enable two-step verification, and the two-step verification has been successfully enabled. Enabling two-step verification is crucial in safeguarding your Gmail account from unauthorized access. Now, let's move on to the final step, which is generating an app password. So once you've found the app passwords option, click on it. App passwords let you sign into your Google account from apps on devices that don't support two-step verification. An app password allows specific apps or plugins, such as the Majestic Support plugin, to access your Gmail account securely without compromising your main account password or going through the two-step verification process each time. On the App Passwords page, select the app and device you want to generate the password for. So according to the case, we will select Mail as the app and choose Windows Computer as the device. Then, click on the Generate button to generate a unique app password for Windows computers. Gmail will provide you with a unique app password for Windows computers. Make sure to copy or note it down as you will need it during the email piping setup on the Majestic Support plugin to gain secure access to your Gmail account. Generating an app password ensures that you can securely connect the Majestic Support plugin to your Gmail account without compromising your account's security. It's a crucial step in the email piping setup process. After setting up IMAP, two-step verification, and the app password, you are all set with Gmail. Now, let's proceed to the final steps to complete the email piping setup on the Majestic Support plugin. To begin, open your admin dashboard and select the email piping option from the menu. Click on Add Email Piping, which will prompt you to the email piping setup screen. Here, we will define some important terms related to email piping. First, enable email piping. Then, choose the type of email you want to read. If you wish to save email attachments, select Yes. Next, choose the provider for your email service. Add the same email address to the read emails list that you have previously set up for Gmail. Here, use the generated app password to securely connect the Majestic Support plugin to your Gmail account. Finally, click the Check Settings option to ensure that everything is properly configured. The alert indicates that the admin's email address and email piping cannot be the same, so we will change it first so that email piping works properly. To do so, open up the plugin settings and locate the System Email option in the Settings menu. In the System Email section, change the default alert email address and default admin email address, and then save the settings. The setting has been stored. Now again head back to the email piping screen and explain the required terms step by step. Again, click the Check Settings option to verify the settings, and the setting is working. Lastly, click the Save Settings button. An email for email piping has been stored. Now, let's proceed to test the email piping and check whether emails sent to this email address convert into tickets or not. So we will go to another Gmail account and click on the Compose button to create an email. In the recipient field, we will add the email address that we have set up for email piping. Next, provide a clear and concise subject, followed by a detailed description of the inquiry or issue in the email's body, and click the Send button to dispatch the email. After scanning the email address configured for email piping, the system catches the incoming email, extracts details such as the sender's email address, subject, and message content, and produces a support ticket via email piping. To view this, we will navigate to the My Tickets section, and we can see that a new ticket has been generated via email piping. If the email piping system is not functioning correctly, and an email fails to convert into a ticket or is not listed in the ticket section, you can follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. To begin troubleshooting, let's start by creating a new email by clicking on the Compose button. Similarly, provide the email piping address in the recipient field, along with a subject and description. Once again, send the email. Now, open the ticket section and observe that no new ticket has been received. To address this problem, return to the email piping screen. However, ensure that no one has read the email before proceeding, as the system only processes unread emails. On the email piping screen, locate the URL option situated under the Cron Job section. Click on the URL option to copy it. Then, paste the copied URL into a browser and browse it. Wait for the Done message to appear after browsing the URL. This signifies that the system has read your email piping and successfully created a ticket via email. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can resolve issues related to emails not being piped into tickets. Now, we will proceed with the installation of the WP Control plugin and utilize an email cron job to efficiently manage and monitor tickets. To install the WP Control plugin, navigate to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New and use the search bar to find the plugin. Type WP Control and press Enter. Once the plugin appears, click on Install to add it to your WordPress installation. After installation, click on the Activate button to activate the plugin. The WP Control plugin is now active and ready to use. After activating the plugin, return to the WordPress menu and open the Cron Events area located under the Tools option. Here, you will be able to see the ticket via email listed. If the email ticket is not active in the WP Cron system, you can troubleshoot the issue by opening the plugins window. Deactivate the main plugin first, then reactivate it. Once done, return to the Cron Events area, and you will find the email ticket available. After successfully setting up email piping to convert incoming emails into support tickets, let's move on to the Majestic Support email templates section. In this section, we'll focus on adding the tracking number to the subject of the useful email templates for email piping. To begin, simply scroll down the window and navigate to the tracking ID parameter, which can be found under the Parameters section. To include the tracking number in the subject, copy the tracking ID parameter and paste it within square brackets directly in the email template subject line. Once you have pasted it, this tracking ID will be used by the email piping system to convert incoming emails into support tickets by recognizing and parsing the tracking number from the subject line. After that, make sure to save the email template. The email template has been stored. Similarly, repeat the process of adding the tracking number to the subject in all relevant templates. So in this way, you can add the tracking number to the subject of the templates for email piping. This will promote your entire support system with a consistent and efficient approach. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.